We even kind of have these pre-assembled kits where it has the transformer that comes with the Wi-Fi timer. It's got all your waterproof connections, the wire and everything, so you can add that to your cart, add those lights, and you're pretty much good to go. Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I hope you guys enjoy this video with some more great landscape lighting tips. To learn more about landscape lighting, go and check out our website at lightingdoctor.ca, or if you want to see what a real quality landscape light should look like, go and check out our Try It Before You Buy It offer, where you can get a premium quality fixture at a discounted rate with your very own battery pack, so you can go and test out how that light's going to look and feel what a real premium quality light should look like. So go and check us out at lightingdoctor.ca, or go watch more videos on YouTube just by searching for the Lighting Doctor. Hey Gonzalo, thanks again for your email and your pictures. I'm going to show you some really simple ideas that you can use, and pretty much I'll talk about 3 primary lights that we use most of the time, which is some uplights, some path lights, and some wash lights. So really what the difference is like the uplights, these are about a 12-inch riser, and they'll spread a good 8 to 12 feet apart. But with some of the other things that we're going to do, I don't think you need to worry too much about that. There's a couple areas where I will suggest some wash lights to kind of highlight the front entryway a little bit. So I mean, that's these guys here that you see on the website. And then for a lot of it, because you have a lot of nice brickwork and stuff, I think using some wash lights like this, which is it's got a wider angle beam spread than an uplight, and is frosted filter, so it's a softer light, and it's really good for like grazing some of the brickwork and stuff. So if I get to your pictures here, and I've kind of laid out a little bit for you what it might look like. So this is your house. It might look like a lot of lights like this, but keep in mind we're having some different heights, some different depths of light, some different intensities, and all that kind of stuff. So when I talked about the uplights, like these guys here, just to put in some context, so these guys here, that again you can just find on the website, like I talked about with the 3 primary lights. I would have 2, kind of one back in this corner, shining up on this area, and another one kind of under the address rock, because I always want to really feature the entryway, and the best way to do that is with some uplights. The other reason I like this too is because these are kind of narrower areas. I want to focus on the address, and I want to kind of focus on the columns here. So these are good for that. And one of the things I will say with any of the uplights, including the wash lights that I'll talk about, that I see a common mistake is most people, when they put them in, they kind of bring them back and shine them at the house, when really, because you have the nice texture in the brick, you want to get it a little bit closer, have it shining more upright. And they have these set screws too, so you can kind of adjust that and play with that once it's in the ground. But more upright is almost always going to create a better, softer look. So that's what I would do. First off, I would have those 2 uplights there, and then I would graze the nice brick that you have with some wash lights. So these wash lights like this, I would have those spaced out kind of evenly. If I got an uplight here, then I kind of want to have a wash light here and here that's going to really just subtly graze the brick on this side, and then as well over here I want to go and I want to do that. And I think if you did nothing else, I would do that for sure. But I think because you have some nice pathways, and there could be some nice contrast between some kind of uplighting and then some lower level path lighting, that's where I would kind of stagger in the path lights, so that you have like an uplight in the background, or in this case a wash light in the background, but then you have a path light here that's kind of highlighting the beds and the walkway a little bit more. And if you just kind of stagger those in between where you have your uplights, on this side, because we're not going to have any uplights obviously on the window, having 2 kind of side by each, just evenly spread out here, would look really nice and highlighting the bed, and again create that contrast of uplighting and downlighting. Also, if you don't put anything here, what you're going to find is this becomes a bit of a dark spot. So just having those 2 small subtle lights make a big difference. And then I would probably throw at least one more in the middle of this wall, in between these 2 wash lights. And if you wanted to really round out the bed and kind of do the same thing have that balance of the path lights on both sides, I would put one here as well. So, you know, in summary, you're looking at about 4 wash lights, 2 uplights, and then what is that, 7 path lights or so. If you were going to cut anything out, I would cut out the path lights, or you could cut out the kind of the 2 end ones here and just have in the middle of where you have these lights, I think would look good too. It just really depends how far you want to extend that lighting. And so the nice thing is a system like this, I mean, you could easily fit it on a simple transformer like this, or to make your life even easier, we even kind of have these pre-assembled kits where it has the transformer that comes with the Wi-Fi timer. It's got all your waterproof connections, the wire and everything, so you can add that to your cart, add those lights, and you're pretty much good to go. Your kits always come with an installation guide too that has clickable. It's a PDF one that comes with clickable video links to how to do everything. So we try and make it as easy as possible for you. But if you have any questions, want us to help you customize a kit or anything like that, you can always reach back out to us and we'll go from there. But thanks again, Gonzalo. Hopefully that gives you some pretty good ideas to work with and a simple plan like that. And if there's anything else we can help with, just email me back. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I wanted to take a minute and kind of walk you through the website a little bit because I often get questions about a couple different things. And you know, one of the first things is we do ship. We have free shipping all across the US and Canada. There's no additional duties, import fees, taxes, anything like that shipping to the United States. So that is a question I get asked all the time. And then I wanted to walk you through the website a little bit, in particular our Try Before You Buy It lights, because that's something I get questions on a lot. And what we've done there and what we do is it's basically a chance for you to go and get one of our premium quality fixtures. So you actually get the chance to feel what the difference is between that and what you're going to find on Amazon and all the other websites out there, in the big box stores, all that kind of stuff. So it gives you a chance to feel it and see what a premium quality fixture should actually feel like. The other nice thing about it, and the reason we love it, is obviously when you go and do that, we can help you with the design aspects of it. We do offer our free consultations, which many of you have taken advantage of, where you can send me an email with a few pictures of your property, and we're going to recommend kind of which lights to use. And then that's where you can go and buy one of these Try Before You Buy It lights, so you can feel the light. And then they all come with these battery packs. Now what this is, it's a simple battery pack that just takes a few AA batteries that come with the trial light. Then you can just plug that light in, and all those recommendations that we give you, or where you think a light's going to look best, you can go stick that in your yard, step back and look at how that's going to look. And then from there you can decide, oh, I like the way that looks. I'm going to get 6 of these lights. I'm going to get 5 of these lights. Now keep in mind, this is just a one-time light. You get that with the battery pack. If you love it, great. Then you just buy the remaining fixtures. If you don't, then you send it back and you get a full refund. And then you can go to our shop page where you can go and actually buy the remaining lights that you need. If you're lucky enough to fit into one of our kits, there's obviously some additional savings because those are prepackaged kits. But if not, then you can go and just start adding the different lights to your cart. So maybe you need 8 of these, maybe you need 12 of these. And then I'm going to tell you, if you need help sizing the transformer and whatnot, we can definitely help you with that. But we can also, you can also go and choose from some of the transformers we have on our website. A kit like this one comes with a 150 watt transformer. This transformer, when used with any of our lights, you can easily fit 20, sometimes 30 lights if you're using path lights and stuff. It's mostly up lights. You might need something bigger, but we've easily put 25 lights on here with no issues. This comes with 250 feet of wire, 40 of the snap lock connectors, which is enough for 20 lights. If you need more, you also have the option to just add a couple extra to your cart. We have a couple upgrade options like this where you can get extra roll of wire, extra pack of connectors if you have more lights. But if you have up to 30 lights, you can easily fit it on this transformer. But the beauty is that we see all the orders that come in. So if you're ordering 40 lights and you've got a 150 watt transformer, you're probably going to get an email from us saying, hey, do you have another transformer that you're going to be using, because this is going to require more power than that transformer is going to use. And we're going to look at that before we send anything out. So you don't have to worry about making those mistakes. But if you want to even take care of that beforehand, you can always email me. You can either email support@lightingdoctor.ca. You can email me personally. But that's a really good way with our Try Before You Buy It lights to make sure that you're getting the right light. I would urge you to take advantage of that, because not only do you get to try it, you also get it at a discounted rate for that one-time purchase. It's the exact same light that you would find in all our kits. It's the exact same light that you can have here. Keep in mind, it is at a discounted rate with the battery pack that you can just order one so you can try it. And then this is the the remaining lights that you need, you can go to our Shop Now page. And again, like I said, add those to your cart, but we're more than happy to help you with that. The other thing I did want to mention on our page is our how-to page, because so many of the questions that you guys get are asking can be found on YouTube. But if you don't want to go search through YouTube and all that, couple things. One, get our free landscape lighting guide. This comes with all our kits, all our orders anyway. It walks you through step by step how to go install your system and everything you need, from the connectors and all that kind of stuff. Also keep in mind that anytime you're ordering lights from us with the kits and stuff, there's some additional tools, bonuses, connectors, all that kind of stuff that we throw in that we don't advertise, because that's just a extra bonus that we know you're going to need to finish your project. So we just want to give that to you anyway. But then a lot of our how-to step-by-step videos, our more popular ones, can be found here, which will answer most of your questions. But if you have specific questions, we have our frequently asked questions page of how to wire, how to use the connectors, how to size your transformer, how to tunnel under a sidewalk, can I retrofit my system, and so many more. And if you can't find it here, go to YouTube and just search Lighting Doctor and whatever your question is, and I bet you there's at least 5 or 6 videos there that you can go and look at. So I hope you guys take advantage of our try it before you buy a light. It is by far one of the best things that we've done so that people can actually go and see the difference between what we offer and all the crap out there. And just to keep in mind, we don't just sell one particular product. What we do is we test, and we keep coming up with the best. And that's why some of you guys have visited our site over the years, have noticed different products, different kits, different things changing. It's because we're always testing to find the best quality for the best value. Is there some fixtures that are even more well built than these? Absolutely. But I'm not going to pay $500 for a light, so I wouldn't expect you to. So what we've done is we've just come up with what we feel is great quality at a very reasonable price for what you get, compared to, like I said, all the crap that you're going to find on Amazon, in the big box stores, and online. If you notice, they're basically all the same fixture. They're all manufactured in the same place. So how they can all say that one is better than the other is hooey. We've tested them, and they're all the exact same light. We do offer something a little bit different with our lights, and just know that these are tested. These are installed in Canada, where it's cold, some of the harshest climates, and that's why we recommend these too, because I know that these are going to last. So when I get questions about people who live on the coast, are they going to withstand them? Yes, we've installed them over there, and they've been there for years. Are they going to handle the wet weather of hurricanes and all that kind of stuff? Obviously, if a hurricane blows your lights out of the ground, there's not much we can do there, but I bet you if you find that light, it's still going to work after the fact. So again, I really appreciate you guys watching all our videos. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We're going to start individually reviewing all the different products, not only on our website, but a lot of the ones that you guys are always questioning about, and just give you the difference between a good, bad, and best, so that you can come up with the best lighting design and best lighting plan for your property, because we want your home to look as good as possible with landscape lighting. You're not trying to land an airplane. You're just trying to highlight probably one of your biggest assets that you currently own right now, that I know you guys have put so much money into. So why not highlight it a little bit? So again, go to YouTube, search Lighting Doctor, subscribe to our channel, and come visit us at lightingdoctor.ca for all our resources and everything else that we offer. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys got some great do-it-yourself landscape lighting tips. Now, please be sure to go to our website at lightingdoctor.ca and check out our how-to page. It's full of great resources, from our podcast to our video to our most frequently asked questions. And also check out our try it before you buy it light, where you can actually go now and get one of our premium quality uplights and a King Innovation Insta-Light, which is basically a battery pack now that allows you to go and run those lights and test them out on your property. Try it for 14 days. If you don't love it, send it back to us and we'll give you a full refund. And if not, you keep the light at a discounted rate and go and buy what you need for your project. So thanks again for watching. Please be sure to leave us a comment. We love your feedback. Have a great day.